Hey guys, today I will tell you how to make pattern in a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Let's start. Now see 1, 2, 3 and back side 1, 2, 3 and 1 and this square 1 and this square 1 and this square and 1 and this square. And now I will tell you how to refix this pattern. First you have to come this side and rotate it 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now our cube is done. So let's go to the second pattern. Now what you have to do, just take first 2 and rotate 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Now you can see 1, 2, 1, 2 and one square and second square, small square and big square, big square, small square, big square. Now I will tell you how to refix this pattern. First you have to take 2 and rotate this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now our cube is solved. So like, share and subscribe.